Hi guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to add text on any surface in Photoshop. First, choose the type tool, then write your text. Then press Ctrl+T to scale it. Right-click in here, then tap Select Pixels. Copy it, tap Ctrl+C. After that, create a new layer. Then hide this layer. Press Ctrl+D to deselect it. Go to Filter and select Vanishing Point. Then now, draw your perspective. It should be blue cause if it's red, then the perspective is wrong. After it turned to blue, press Ctrl+B to paste your text. Then press Ctrl+T to scale it. Once you're done, click OK. Next, double-click the layer to open the blending options. Drag the underline layer to the right. Hold Alt plus drag to break into two. When you're finished, press OK. Then that's it. That's how you add text on any surface in Photoshop. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you on my next tutorials.